If you get this error while installing any version of macOS on VirtualBox, then the reason is you're probably using an unsupported CPU, or you may be using an AMD based CPU, and that is why you're unable to install macOS. First, close your machine and then head to the description of this video. You will see commands which you can run to change your CPU profile so that the installer will recognize your PC as an Intel based processor instead of an AMD. So copy this code from the description of this video, or you can also get it from our Discord server. The link will be provided in the video description. Now head to command prompt. So we can just head to our search bar and then search for cmd, run as administrator. Now paste in the first command over here to move into VirtualBox directory, and then the second command to configure our machine as Intel Core i7. Now before we copy the second command, we have to change this VM name to our machine name. So let's head to VirtualBox, go to settings, and then on the general tab you can see our machine name over here. Let's copy it, okay, and then replace VM name over here with our machine name, and then we can copy the entire line, paste it there, hit enter, and you shouldn't get any error. Now we can close command prompt, close this, and then we can run our machine and we shouldn't encounter any issue. And you can see it is now responding. Now all you have to do is use disk utility to erase your disk and then continue with the installation. I made a full video on how to install macOS Ventura on VirtualBox, so you can check it out. The link will be provided in the video description. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.